How does fresh milk turn into that thick, sweet, long-lasting condensed milk inside a can? How can milk stay fresh for months without refrigeration? Today we take you inside a modern condensed milk factory to uncover the fascinating journey, from raw milk to finished product. Everything begins at dairy farms. Healthy cows are milked using automated milking machines that ensure hygiene and efficiency. The fresh milk is immediately cooled to about 4 degrees Celsius to prevent bacterial growth. This step is critical because warm milk spoils quickly. The milk is then transported in large insulated stainless steel tanker trucks to the condensed milk factory. If the milk passes all quality standards, it is accepted for processing. If not, it is rejected. Only the highest quality milk is used. The accepted milk is pumped into filtration systems. These filters remove dirt, dust, hair, any unwanted particles. Next, the milk enters a machine called a clarifier. This high-speed centrifuge spins the milk rapidly. The spinning force separates impurities from the milk. The result is perfectly clean milk ready for processing. Milk naturally varies in fat content, but condensed milk must have a consistent texture and taste. So factories adjust the fat level through a process called standardization. Some cream may be added, or some fat may be removed. This ensures every batch has the exact same quality. Consistency is everything. Now comes one of the most important safety steps, pasteurization. The milk is heated to about 85-95 degrees Celsius for several seconds. This heat kills harmful bacteria and microorganisms. Without pasteurization, the milk could spoil or become unsafe. After heating, the milk is quickly cooled. Now it is clean, safe, and ready for transformation. Here is where condensed milk becomes sweetened condensed milk. Large amounts of sugar are added to the milk. Sugar serves two important purposes. First, it adds sweetness. Second, it acts as a natural preservative. Sugar prevents bacteria from growing. This is why condensed milk lasts so long without refrigeration. The sugar and milk are mixed thoroughly to form a uniform liquid. Slowly, about 60% of the water is removed. As water disappears, the liquid becomes thicker and thicker. This creates the rich, creamy texture of condensed milk. This process transforms ordinary milk into condensed milk. Before packaging, the condensed milk undergoes strict testing. Technicians check thickness, color, taste, sugar concentration, microbial safety. Only perfect batches move forward. Quality is essential. The finished condensed milk is sent to automated filling machines. These machines fill metal cans, tubes, or bottles. Each container is filled precisely, no waste, no contamination. Next, the containers are sealed tightly. This prevents air and bacteria from entering. After sealing, labels are applied. Each label contains brand name, ingredients, expiry date, batch number, everything is tracked. Some condensed milk products undergo additional heat treatment. This ensures even longer shelf life. After that, the cans are cooled. They are then packed into boxes, ready for shipping worldwide, from factories to supermarkets, from supermarkets to your home. Powdered milk is used all over the world. It lasts for months, sometimes years, without spoiling. It can travel across continents, and with just water, it turns back into milk. But how does liquid milk become dry powder? This is the most important step. The concentrated milk is sprayed into a huge chamber. This chamber is filled with hot air. The milk enters through a special nozzle that turns it into tiny droplets. As these droplets fall through the hot air, the water evaporates instantly. Within seconds, the liquid milk becomes dry powder. This process is called spray drying. The powder falls to the bottom of the chamber. The air is filtered to collect fine powder particles. The result is fresh powdered milk. The powder must be cooled to prevent moisture absorption. Technicians test the powder for moisture level, texture, nutritional value, safety. Only high-quality powder moves forward. What started as fresh milk from dairy farms has now become thick, sweet, delicious condensed milk through filtration, pasteurization, sugar addition, evaporation, and careful packaging. Factories transform simple milk into a product loved around the world. Next time you open a can of condensed milk, remember the incredible journey it took to get there.